Hey all. Our objectives for today will be 2. 1. Use the compare-contrast connectors correctly in a sentence. 2. Compare and contrast among 3 different countries in terms of males and females enrollment in schools. First, read the following sentences and identify the words that connected the clauses in each. One. This man is very gentle, but his son is very rude. 2. This man is very gentle, whereas his son is very rude. 3. This man is very gentle. However, his son is very rude. 4. Unlike his son, this man is very gentle. What is common among all of these connectors? All of these connectors are contrast connectors. They aim at showing differences between 2 parties. The man and his son. How do the connectors differ? 1. The first connects 2 independent clauses. 2. The second connects an independent and a dependent clause. 3. The third does also connect 2 independent clauses but not in one sentence. 4. The fourth connects a fragment to an independent clause. But is a coordinating conjunction. Whereas is a subordinating conjunction. However is a transition word. Unlike is an adjective. Coordinating conjunction. But, and, yet and but are the only coordinating conjunctions used for contrasting between 2 parties. How are they used? 1. Mike loves sports, but Carla enjoys fashion. 2. Nellie is enrolled in a private school, yet Sarah is enrolled in a public school. When using coordinating conjunctions, you have to state an independent clause followed by a comma, then you add the conjunction in addition to the other independent clause. Subordinating conjunctions. Although, while, even though, whereas. How are they used? 1. Although my mom is very calm, I am not calm at all. 2. I am not calm at all, even though my mom is very calm. 3. Hiba loves rock music, whereas her sister prefers jazz. When using subordinating conjunctions, you have to state an independent clause followed by a comma, then you add the conjunction in addition to the other dependent clause. Transitions. However, nevertheless, in comparison, on the other hand, on the contrary. How are they used? 1. China could fight coronavirus. However, other countries could not. 2. Some countries practiced lockdown. On the contrary, other countries did not close at all. 3. America is a developed country. Nevertheless, India is undeveloped. When using transitions, start with the independent clause, end it with a period. Then add the transition word followed by a comma and the other independent clause. Adjectives. Different from, compared to, unlike. How are they used? 1. Compared to her sisters, Sarah is very smart and hard-working. 2. Different from the boys, girls prefer pink color. When using adjectives, the sentence is said to be incomplete, being a sentence fragment. The adjective of contrast is placed followed by the first subject to be compared. Then a comma is placed and the independent clause. For comparing or showing similarities, you can use transition words, or coordinating conjunctions or an adjective. When placed in a sentence, they are used the same way as the contrast connectors. Coordinating conjunctions. 1. Eric and Ricky are polite students. 2. Both Eric and Ricky are polite students. Here the coordinating conjunction, and connected two nouns and not two sentences. Transition. 1. Japan activated online learning. Similarly, China is using online learning. 2. All girls in China are enrolled in primary schools. Likewise, girls in Sri Lanka are enrolled in primary schools. Adjectives. 1. Similar to India, Bangladesh has water problems. 2. Sandy is a very beautiful girl, just like her sister. Let's practice. Use appropriate comparison, contrast words to express the similarities and differences between George and Mason. George likes to read science fiction, but Mason likes to read poetry. George works as a cartographer's assistant 15 hours per week, whereas Mason works as an attendant in a theater for 20 hours per week. George is an engineering major. However, Mason still has not found a major. Unlike Mace, who hates exercising, George runs 3 miles daily. Both George and Mason are tall and slim. Similar to Mason, George has brown eyes and hair. Now, choose 3 countries from the table to compare and contrast between them in a well-organized paragraph. Start your paragraph with a topic sentence showing what your paragraph will be about. Use the compare-contrast connectors correctly as they have been explained to you.